Hey everybody, Scott here for the Helix channel. It is Tuesday, and today I am coming at you with some more Yacht Rock presets. I've got 3 more today. One by the Hollies, All I Need Is the Air That I Breathe. Super cool guitar tone, and this particular preset is going to be so much more valuable than just for this song. I'll play you some rhythm bits and show you what I mean. Also, I Want to Make It With You by Bread, and Couldn't Get It Right by Climax Blues Band. Good stuff. So, let's do that. There you go, everybody. Oh, 3 more fun presets, and I got to tell you that that Hollies preset is going to get used by me a lot for all kinds of stuff. I just really love the combination. Plus, that particular amp has become my new favorite 70s. You can go clean or crunch with that sucker. That one is extremely versatile. I'm a big fan. So all you got to do is buy this preset package, and you can know what I'm talking about. Good times. You can pre-order it. Go down into the description. There's a link, and I'll be mailing those out to people as soon as I'm finished. I'm going to do another one tomorrow for the Name That Riff video. So that'll put me up to, I believe, 9. Just need 6 more, and then we'll be done. So some part of next week. Good times. So please subscribe, share, like, blah, blah, blah. And don't worry about me on Twitter. I really don't give a shit about Twitter or Instagram. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow. And until then, rock on.